Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you 5 best desktop customization software for your PC that can make your Windows look better. Let's start the video. Number 5 is Desktop Hunt. Do you want to use animated wallpaper on your PC? Then you should download Desktop Hunt software, and it has ultimate collection of animated wallpaper on their website, and it is totally free live wallpaper app for your PC. Number 4 is Start 10. If you want to customize your Start menu bar, then you should try Start 10 application. With this application, you will be able to customize your Start menu bar way that you want. And it is paid app and it is really good customization software. Number 3 is UX Theme Patcher. If you love desktop customization, then you must have to install UX Theme Patcher. UX Theme Patcher is a software that patch your Windows 10 theme system, and it's allow you to signature requirement to enable Windows theme customization, and it is free software, and without this software you can't install any theme on your Windows 10 or any other Windows. So you must have this app called UX Theme Patcher. Number 2 is RocketDock. Mac OS is one of most valuable systems when it comes to design and usability. It is nothing new and new either. If you indicate with that dock included in the Apple system is mainly to blame its speed and functionalities, and design has improved a lot with the time, and now with the RocketDock you will able to have one that is same as in Windows. So RocketDock is Mac OS dock for your Windows, and it will make your Windows look like Mac OS, and it is totally free software. Coming to number 1 is Rainmeter. Rainmeter is customization software application for your desktop that capable of showing all kind of information about your PC like time, date, processor temperature, data traffic and energy usage, weather, RSS feed. And Rainmeter is a complete desktop customization software that will allow you to customize its spec and information that it shows. So that's all 5 apps for today. See you in the next video. Like, share and subscribe my channel.